Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite benefits and how to apply. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your app or simply just tap on the browser, and then on the search bar simply type in bankofamerica.com, and once you hit go, the Bank of America webpage or homepage will see something like this. Now all you gotta do is log into your account. In order to log in, simply tap on login and then follow the process to log into your account. And once you're logged in, scroll down and there you'll find options, and then among them you'll find the option that says credit cards. Simply tap on that. Now once you tap on that, you'll be redirected to your cards options. Simply scroll down until you find the Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite. Here you can see Bank of America Premium Rewards, and now once you scroll down you'll be seeing the Elite option as well. Now in order to apply it, simply tap on apply now, and here you'll be redirected to the application page. You can see the benefits like receiving 75,000 online bonus points, that is equivalent to $750 at least in 500,000 in purchases into the first 90 days. And now once you expand it, here you can earn unlimited points, 2 points for every dollar spent on travel and dining purchases, and 1.5 points for every $1 spent on all of the purchases. No limit to the points you can earn, and points don't expire as long as your account remains open. Bank of America Preferred Rewards members can earn 25% to 75% reward bonus on every purchases. You can choose how you want to be rewarded as well. Get up to $300 annually in airline incidental statement credits, get up to $150 annually in statement credits for lifestyle conveniences, and so on. These are the couple of benefits. Now in order to apply it, all you gotta do is enter or fill out this form with the respective information, and once you're done with all that, scroll down and then here you'll have an option that says continue. Simply tap on that, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.